Even today, 98% of Indians and world believe that Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose died in 1945 Taiwan plane crash. But as per records, no plane was crashed in 1945 either in Taiwan or any other part of Japan. And Government of India formed Shahnawaz Committee Khosla Commission where they declared Bose died in plane crash. But in 1999, Mukherjee Commission concluded that Bose did not die in plane crash. And other side, few people believe that Bose came to India after independence and changed his identity as Gumnami Baba. But question pops in everyone's mind is, did really Bose die in plane crash? Why Congress was worried about Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose even after independence? And is Gumnami Baba and Netaji same? For next 4 minutes, I'm going to tell you shocking and mysterious facts of Netaji's death which is hidden in our history books. Stay tuned and watch full video. Before watching video, if you've not yet subscribed our channel, please subscribe and press bell icon for short and simplified videos every day. Let's begin our video from 18th August 1945 around 2 p.m. in Tai Haku where plane crashed breaking into two with high flames. Chief pilot and Lieutenant General both died instantly in plane crash, but it was Bose and his assistant Raymond who attempted and ran into flames to exit from front door. Within a while, ground staff came to rescue where they saw Bose was burning into flames where they managed to smother flames and took him to Nanmon Military Hospital. As per hospital reports, it is said that Bose's face and head were burned so badly that no one would have able to identify him. And within few hours, Bose went into coma and it was Dr. Yoshiomi who declared Subhash Chandra Bose as dead on 18th August 1945 at the age of 48. And Bose was cremated in Tai Haku crematorium after 2 days, and it was on 23rd August 1945 where Japanese news agencies announced the death of Bose. And it was on 14th September memorial service was held for Bose in Tokyo, and few days later his ashes kept in Rinpoche temple. This is the history as far as everyone know. But what if I say few reports suggest that this is pre-planned theory by Bose himself to escape Japan and get freedom to India by changing his identity. And one cannot forget that Bose was leading Azad Hind Fauj against British with support of Japan. And also just 3 days before plane crash, that is on 15th August 1945, Japan announced surrender ending war in World War II. At the time, Japan surrender was shocking for Azad Hind Fauj where Bose know that British will take this as advantage and delay in Indian independence. So he decides to disappear where he planned perfect plane crash theory with help of Japan officials. When rumors about Netaji's death started making rounds, Nehru appointed 3-man committee in 1956 headed by Shahnawaz Khan. Committee interviewed 67 witnesses in India, Japan and other locations of hospital and plane crash where they concluded Bose has died in plane crash. And it was Suresh Chandra Bose, who was brother of Netaji, rejected to sign reports because he told Jawaharlal Nehru was forcing committee to declare Bose died in plane crash. And again in year 1970, government appointed 1-man Khosla Commission to inquire about disappearance of Bose. But this committee took reports of Shahnawaz Committee and concluded same as Bose died in plane crash. And it is also said that when Khosla Committee was at work, many confidential files belonging to Netaji were completely destroyed. And many people believe that Bose came to India after independence where he changed his identity as Gumnami Baba or Bhagwanji, who was monk. After death of Gumnami Baba, many belongings were found including family photographs, post letters and books gifted by his sister, where top forensics experts examined all belongings and found many similarities between Netaji and Gumnami Baba. Also, expert found 100% match of English and Bangla handwriting written by Netaji and Gumnami Baba. And due to rising pressure, new committee called Mukherjee Commission was formed in year 2005 where commission concluded that Bose did not die in plane crash. Yes, you heard it right. Committee told that plane crash is secret plan to ensure Bose safe passage to USSR with knowledge of Japan authorities and Habibur Rahman. And Mukherjee also told that he is 100% sure that Bhagwanji of Faizabad was Netaji and ashes kept at Rinpoche temple are not of Bose but it was of Japanese soldier who died of cardiac arrest. And it was on 2006 May 17 where commission submitted report to parliament, but Indian government rejected findings of commission. Not just this, but also there are many foreign reports says that no plane was crashed in 1945 in Japan, and also they found many evidence of Bose presence after 1945. But Congress government hide all history about Azad Hind Fauj, Netaji achievements and also his death mystery. And reason behind this is if truth about Netaji is revealed, then all country will forget Nehru and Gandhi's freedom contribution in front of Nehru's movement. Suppose if country would have been run on ideology of Netaji, then we would have been way more advanced than today. Till now we have believed false history, but now it's our responsibility to share this true history about Netaji to everyone so that people know who is our real heroes. And also don't forget to comment your views in comment section. Also don't forget to subscribe our channel for more interesting and trending videos.